ISG department, and the bottom line is we make things go straight with auto steer and guidance and the satellite systems. We touch 97%, I would say, of every piece of equipment that comes out through our stores has some component of ISG on it, whether it's just basic auto steer or it's full bore see and spray, exact apply, exact emerge planters. There's just an incredible amount of technology on every piece of equipment out there. And the guys using the sub-inch accuracy level, which would be RTK, have to have 3 points of reference. They have to have the vehicle, which would be the tractor, the satellites, and then the tower to get that sub-inch accuracy. So when we pull up to a tower, the first thing we do is we'll find the manager of the facility or someone in the facility to let them know we're going up. Second thing we do is we harness up, we get our gear on the tailgate, we walk through what we're going to do, how we're going to do it, what do we need when we're up there. Game on. We are very, very safe when we go up on the towers. We like to climb in pairs. That way we can double check everything while we're walking along. And then we typically have a third person on the ground to help. We can call him and say, hey, we need this part. Can you send it up in the elevator on any facility that has an elevator? If they don't have elevators, we'll send a rope down with a bag and they can load us up whatever we need. When all of this first started, the first tower, I believe, was El Campo, and it was a fad. Nobody really, every farmer was saying, oh, we don't need that, we don't need. And now, when the auto steer cuts off or one of these towers goes down, all of our phones blow up. The tractors pretty well stop, and rightly so, because they don't want to mess their lines up just by trying to hand steer it. And the towers are a big part of our operation with the sub-inch accuracy, the repeatability of them. They have to be reliable, they have to be maintained, they have to be updated. It's just it's a constant job to keep them updated. In this business, in the technology world, you need support, and we have support like no other company in the country. When I started, it was just me. We're up to 5 people in my department. We have a dedicated technician, James Joplin. It's myself, Matthew Zahn, Jacob Wilkerson, and our newest addition is Ben Sharp. What I tell my guys is, you don't have to know the answer, but you have to know where to go get the answer. That's what we like. And since we've done the centralized DTAC with Justin and Russell, that's been a big help in helping us diagnose things. The biggest success story I like to tell is we had a customer in the Louise area, and they were yield mapping for the first time, and they could see to the row where the water cut off. They for whatever reason, their well cut off in the middle of the night, and they didn't catch it till the next day. And you could see the yield difference between that, and it was like the aha moment for them. You know, each one of these towers is a substantial amount of money, not just the hardware, but also with the facility. We have great relationships with all of our facility operators. You know, it's just Shoppa's commitment to the farmer, giving them the guidance that they need to operate efficiently.